Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with another fun day of the 13 Days of Craftoween. Have you seen my last video? I'll link it here. Here we are with day 6. Look at the house. Loving that. You know, Spellbinders had a haunted house die a couple years back. I think I have 2 of them actually, but I think one might still be there. If it is there, I will link it below. I'm detailing and linking the Craftoween and what I use to make my examples. Let's see what day 6 has in stored. Oh, adorable. Have a bone rattling Halloween. Too cute. Love this. He is adorable. Oh, this is fun. Fun. Now let's look at my example. Here is my day 6 example. Look at my cute little Summerween skeleton. I am still playing with these colors too. I'm having so much fun with it. He comes together pretty easy. I know it looks like a lot, but it does come together easily. There is layering, but the layering really gives great detail on day 6. Look at my cutie patootie. So here I have black, white, and then my pinks. I'm actually using essential cardstock, pink sand, dahlia, and fruit punch here. And then the green, that's just rainforest, but so cute. For the light green in the background though, this is mint color wheel cardstock. Isn't that perfect against the pink? I think this is so pretty together. So it's almost like going into those Easter colors, but it's now Halloween, hence Summerween. So pretty. Or Pasteloween, either one. If you're like, what is Suzanne talking about? There are different styles of Halloween going on right now, crafters. Folks want to extend the Halloween day. There is Halloween, which is Halloween during Valentine's. There is Pasteloween, which is pastel colors used during Halloween, not so spooky. Then there's something new called Summerween, and I am all for Summerween. I really enjoy that whole thing. It's like just extending it from like June going into October. All the stores are in it too, like Walmart, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, even Target is getting in on their Halloween right now too. Everybody's doing it early. Have my little pastel colors going on. Have my little sentiment, Creeping It Real this Halloween from the 13 Days of Craftoween box. For my foundation layers, all 3 layers, I'm coming into the Mirrored Arch Labels die. Love, especially when it's used as a shaped card. It's so fun. All you do is cut a second layer in the back, put a 1/2" score line, glue the tops together to make it stand up. At the bottom of that second layer, put a horizontal line. So I have it like this on the bottom, and then it will stand up like so, but still be curved in the front. Thumbs up. This is a A2, 4 1/4, 5 1/2 inch for the largest die. Comes in 15 more times, so you get lots and lots of layers. I love to play with it, either double like this or just 3 in a row. Here, I did the biggest one, then I came in about maybe this one, and then that one. For the layer that is the mint cardstock, when I put it on here, it was looking plain against my skeleton. So I decided to come into another favorite foundation die just to add a little fun. And my fun is with Starshine background die. This die is an A2 die. It is 2 layers. I do have my yellow tape here just holding it together. I don't even use it really separately. But you have to die cut the layer first, which is what I did in the green. Then you dry emboss this in your machine. I'm using my Platinum 6, so I follow the instructions on the universal plate system, but what you're looking for is that little embossing mat, the floppy one, to emboss this, okay? And look at the texture and detail. If you don't emboss it and you just die cut it, it will still work. You just tape this on that little plate there and it will still work. It would just be flat, but here, oh, I love the feel and the little, just those little ripples and the little texture from the dry emboss. And then I finished it off with some silver mixed gems. Alrighty, crafters, so that is it for day 6. What do you think? I love all this pastel color. Could I make it spooky? Yeah, just change up these bits. By just changing the colorway, this is a great card for somebody young, somebody who loves pink. If you're giving it to somebody at work, everything they have is pink, pink bag, pink this, pink that. This would be a cute card for them. You could change this to pink too. I wanted it to be Summerween. That's why I brought in just that little touch of the green as well. Crafters, I'm just having way too much fun with the 13 Days of Craftoween. Thanks so much for watching. Come back to see what I have in store on day 7. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!